Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable localization on your Oppo A16 or disable it. Now first we go to the settings here and search for location here. You see there is location and you have been here localization. There is enable it. You can disable it to turn off your location. Okay. Now turn it on. You can of course add the Wi-Fi scanning when you walk and phone gonna be repeat the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth scanning. You have more personal location, much better than standard. And that's it about the localization. I think you can easily localization disable it by shortcuts on the bar upside here. You can disable it or accept by enable it, and your phone has got now localization, or you don't have if you don't want to. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.